The cable bent over row with dual hook straight bar is an exercise that primarily targets the muscles in the back, including the lats, traps, and rhomboids. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach the dual hook straight bar to both sides of the low pulleys on the cable machine. To ensure tension is maintained in the cable at the bottom of the lift, place a sturdy step with risers in the center of the cable machine. Stand on the step with your feet shoulder width apart facing away from the machine. Bend forward and grab the bar with both hands using an overhand grip with your palms facing your body. Stand up straight with your chest up, shoulders back, and core engaged with your arms holding the bar in front of your thighs. To get into position, bend your knees slightly and hinge at your hips, maintaining a flat back and keeping your chest up. Keep your torso bent over at a 45-degree angle, ensuring your back remains flat and core tight. Allow the bar to hang with tension in your arms, pulling your shoulder blades down and back. Begin the movement by squeezing your shoulder blades together and pulling the bar towards your lower abdomen. Keep your elbows close to your sides and focus on pulling with your back muscles, not your arms. Once the bar reaches your lower abdomen or just below your rib cage, pause briefly and squeeze your back muscles at the top of the movement. Keep your core engaged and avoid rounding your lower back. Under control, slowly lower the bar back to the starting position, extending your arms fully while maintaining tension in your back and core. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.